We out here festival, how you feel? We out here festival, how you feel it?
So this summer we got the chance as Point Blank we went to the 5th edition of We Are Here Festival, and we were there for over the weekend. We Are Here Festival is such a creators festival. People who live and breathe music are present there, so it was really nice to be in the environment with the people who are deeply rooted in the industry. We created DJ and production workshops to deliver hands-on experience to people who are there to consume music as it is meant to be.
You know, if you want a taste of what we do at Point Blank, like obviously, yeah, we're out here in the beautiful sunshine, festival vibes, but honestly, every day at Point Blank feels like a party for me because I get to go to work and just DJ, right? This is just a little taster of what we actually do in the lessons, the way we approach the teaching, the curriculum, the subjects that we cover, the different technical skills, and plus a lot of good fun in it.
Gives you insight basically into like what is going on at Point Blank, but also you're getting insight into actually music production. Like any festival goer, you might even just be like, oh, I've always wanted to actually like tap into music production. Do you know what I mean? And I think the key thing is like access. You know, I think being able to just like see that, you know, in person and be able to actually practically, you know, enact it, it's empowering.
Some people, they might not know too much about production, they might not know too much about DJing, and it's just a great opportunity to get your hands involved, test out the equipment, and Point Blank's been here providing. We've had some Ableton pushes set up, which is a lovely little MIDI controller. We've had some laptops out there so people can play around with the software. We've had DJ setups as well, from full 2-channel decks on there, and then we've got the controllers with all 4 channels. We've been scratching, we've been doing drum loops on there, we've been doing synthesis. Everything's been happening.
I guess that's what Point Blank is all about, bridging that gap between the curiosity, creativity and knowledge, linking it to the industry. When you see the gear, people get curious, oh, how does it work? They want to get their hands on it. I guess having the industry level gear right on the spot makes them more indulged in the activity, so when they see their favorite artists performing, they can relate to it. Oh, this is how it works, and can get hands-on experience to relive a dream which they I guess dreamt of ever in the childhood.
We've got the audio gold stage, they've got the incredible sound system, and they just gave us space to let us do our thing. We set up our decks, we've had DJ workshops, we've got, you know, Simon coming up later on, he's doing the production workshop, but also it's given us an opportunity to just speak to people. You know, after the workshops, before the workshops, I've had a lot of people coming up to us, asking us about the school, how to get involved, you know, any advice for up-and-comers, beginners, you know, people who might already be on their journey a little bit, but want to level it up. This has been the perfect place to do it.
It makes it feel less pressured, because you're like, oh wow, I'm coming here to have fun, enjoy, come with my kids, children, or I'm coming with my friends. It's like, okay, cool. Having that infrastructure and having Point Blank as a presence there, it definitely like helped and fueled something that they've already been doing or haven't done or been afraid to actually step into.
There was a 909 in one corner, there was a TB303 in one corner, so people were just curious and they started having a go at it and started playing with it. We had the industry level DJ controllers from Opus Chords to RX3s to CDJ 3000s and the ADJ9 mixer. To deliver the production workshops, we had the latest Push 3 controllers, obviously because we're sponsored by Ableton. They provided us with the push controllers, and we also had a standalone unit which Simon was using.
What I try and get across is that DJ is not an exclusive club, right? Anyone can DJ. If you love music, if you like having a good time, you like throwing a party, or you just like listening to tunes, you know, it's for anyone that is wanting to learn, anyone that's willing to give it a go.
It was really intriguing to see how it engaged people. We had people from all the age groups. There was a kid who was 7 to a guy who was spinning decks with Shorty who was 70.
We've had young people, old people, complete amateurs to people that just wanted to get a little bit more information and help expand their knowledge. And yeah, this weekend's been amazing for it.
People were able to get back to back with DJ Shorty and play some stuff, and also get the experience of how it seems when the crowd cheers for you and you're spinning the decks. With Simon, it was the same. Having the push controllers there, people were very curious of this is what MJ Cole uses in his live set, and that's the actual thing that he used on the day of the festival as well.
So on day one we did Beginner's Guide to DJing. On day 2, it was about creative techniques. And we just wrapped up Sunday sessions, How to Scratch.
So the first day we was talking about production, looking at how to make your own remixes, bringing in acapellas, using AI as well sometimes to help us, and making sure we're staying ethical about AI because that's very important. Looking at taking drums, building up our own drum patterns, and we had people coming through learning how to create their own drums from completely scratch. And yeah, at whatever level you are, we've got you.
So Pinch, the founder of Tectonic Records, he was there with us doing some Q&As, answering people's queries, and we also did a listening session with him with his recent release EP. Same with Unit, he's one of the leading names in dub and acid productions. He was there, he did a listening session with us, and as Point Blank, we are so glad that we have them on board.
If you're interested in signing up for one of our courses, something like this will absolutely benefit you. It's been an absolute pleasure being here this weekend. Massive shout out to Point Blank, big up to We Out Here Festival. I'm DJ Shorty, this has been sick!